If you want to set up dual apps and use 2 different accounts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, etc., all on the same Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, I'll show you how to clone these apps so you can run multiple accounts at the same time. Okay, now first make sure all those apps are installed into your device and logged in with one of your accounts. Now, go ahead, open up Settings, scroll down for Advanced Features, and then scroll down just a bit for Dual Messenger. Enter. Now, all the list of the apps that's on your device and also supports app cloning will appear in here. Now, for example, I got Instagram, but it doesn't support dual app feature. All you gotta do is just toggle on those apps to install a clone version of those apps. Now, if you want to use separate contact list for that, you can toggle it on, otherwise just keep it like that. Now, if you search for those apps, you will see another version of the same app with this duplicate sign. Let me add it to my home screen. Now, what you'll do is simple. You'll have to just log into the app with another account. And from now on, you can keep using 2 different accounts on dual app. And if you no longer want to use it, either tap and hold the app icon and uninstall the one that you want to delete, or you can just come back to the same settings and just disable dual app for that app. And in this case, the second version or the clone app will be deleted from your device. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.